So, hello English learners, hope you all are fine. And today's topic is the benefits of recycling. Yes, every day I am just putting one topic, and we are talking about that particular topic every day. Okay, and this is the extempore type of topic. Like we have to pick one topic and we have to speak on that topic, whatever the knowledge, information, or thoughts, or feelings, or you have to speak. Okay, so today we are going to talk about the benefits of recycling. Okay, so what do you understand by recycling? Recycling is a process where we just waste materials to make new product or new product. Yes, so just recycling is a process where what we do, we just take waste products, waste materials, and make new product. Just we are using, this is called the recycling. Okay, so we will take some examples, and this we have lots of benefits of recycling. Okay, there are some pointers which I am going to tell you. Like first pointer, which is we are protecting our environment. Like you all know, you all are aware, if we are consuming any plastic materials, so we just take the product and we just fell it out on the roads, on the grounds, everywhere. These are the waste materials. Plastic polythenes, polybags, all these are waste materials which we are putting everywhere. But recycling means like there is a someone who is just taking all these stuff and making new product with it. Yes, this is called recycling. So how the waste material is just making harmful the environment for everyone. Like if you also know, like there are three types of main pollution, which is water pollution, soil pollution, and air pollution. If we talk about the water pollution, if you are going to just fill out any type of waste in the water, water is going to just waste, so it is called the water pollution. And air pollution, like any chemical, or for anything which is going to just mixed in the air. If we are going to just breathe, we are going to take this air in our lungs, so it is also going to harm us. Okay, so the benefits of recycling is very important for us. Like we are protecting the environment, and also we are just using the waste materials. Yes, like most of the people are thinking like these are the waste material which we can't do anything, but you are using these waste material to just create something new. This is one of the most important thing. Okay, two things. And third, we are just creating jobs. Yes, we are creating jobs for the person. And the fourth, it means we are utilizing the waste materials to create something new, which most of the people are thinking like these are the waste material, we can't do anything, but we are using it. So I have just counted four benefits of recycling. Okay, so there are more benefits. If you are going to see how we are going to get the benefits, like I'm going to take some examples to just explain how we are going to just get the benefits of recycling. First, one thing, like I would tell, there are some flowers which people buy and they are going to put in the temple. So these are the waste materials. But there is a one man who just use his brain to start a startup. What he's doing? He's just collecting the flowers from every temple, and he's making the agarbatti. Okay, from the waste flowers. How he's doing it? Using the brain, using the just taking the resources, and he just earning a lot of money from it. This is a one example which we can just see you are going to get. And the second example, like in Kerala, If there are lots of people are just using the nariyal, okay, so they are also utilizing the nariyals to make something new. Yes, this is a, they are also using or just making something new from the waste materials. So if you are going to just see like these are the waste materials and how we are going to get or utilize all these waste materials to create something new or better. And one more examples which we can take, like there are tires, okay, just it may be like four-wheeler tire or truck tire or any type of tire which is big tire. So these are the waste materials. But if you are going to visit the sea, coastal areas, there are lots of boats, and in the side of the boats they are putting the tires. Why? Because if it is going to just hit the wall, it is not going to damage. They are protecting their boats with the help of tires. This is also the use of the waste. Okay, so we talk about lots of things how we are going to just get the benefits of recycling. So I hope you understand what is recycling and what are the benefits of recycling, how we are going to just utilize the waste materials to make something new. So thanks for today.